Alright, so this one wants me to find sine of z. So immediately I go, well, what's sine of z? Well, z is this angle here. And remember that sine of z, sine is the opposite over the hypotenuse. Now, if you guys haven't memorized that, remember SOHCAHTOA, Chief SOHCAHTOA, right? SOHCAHTOA. So you should write this down in your notes. The reason I want you to write it down in your notes is because you could use your notes on your test. You're welcome. And I'm trying to get this in your brain 27 times. So every time you write it down, see it, say it, it goes in your brain, and then maybe one day, if you're lucky, you can rattle it off the top of your head like I do. That is the goal. To be lucky, no, to learn the math like I know it. So, anyways, so what is O over H? What does that mean?
Opposite over hypotenuse.
Opposite over the hypotenuse. Now remember that the hypotenuse is across from the 90-degree angle. That's the hypotenuse. The opposite is across from the angle that we're thinking about. So it's really 21 over 29. Now, as any math question or answer that has a fraction, you want to make sure that your fraction is written in simplest terms, but I'm pretty sure 29 is a prime number, so that's it. We're done. Guess what that is? A. I'm going to add some extra stuff here. What do you think cosine, this will help you with your test, what do you think cosine of z would be? Well, remember that cosine is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, right? Yeah, this is the adjacent over here, the one that's left over. So that would be 20 over 21. Again, you can't reduce it anymore, so that would be the answer. And then lastly, toe up.
Wait, it'd be 20 over 29.
You're right. I was already working on tangent. Just wanted to make sure you understand this. Every once in a while I put the wrong answer up there just to see if you know what you're talking about. Alright, so what's the opposite then? Well, it's 21, right? Over the adjacent, which is 20. I really was thinking of this next one. Okay, does anybody have any questions on that one? Congratulations, you just finished problem number 1 from your homework.
Really?
You're welcome. Yeah.
Thank you.
I don't know. What do you want to do? Problem number 2, maybe?
Sure. Is the recording?
Oh yeah, let's stop the recording, I guess.
Oh, yeah.